how's it going? I'm Scola. We're going to be doing an upper body series to help you build the strength that you need to get into your inversions comfortably and confidently. So let's go ahead and start with the very basic shoulder shrugs. When we are practicing our pull-ups or anything that we have to do to lift the body, our first action that we want to do from extended shoulders is be able to pull our shoulders down our back, making our neck nice and long. So I'll show you from behind here. I'm reaching my shoulders up to my ears, and then exhale, try pulling them down your back and together as though you're trying to pinch a pencil with your shoulder blades. Keeping your neck nice and long like a ballerina, and then you're gonna inhale, lift them up to your ears, exhale, squeezing, engaging everything, pulling back and down, neck is on display. So then we'll go ahead and try that with the trapeze. We're gonna grab our highest handles or wherever you can reach comfortably that you can lower down to your knees or just kind of hang there. And then allow your body to slouch, bringing your shoulders up to your ears. Take a nice inhale, exhale. Practice that same motion of pulling your shoulders down your back. Back of the neck stays long and lifted like a ballerina. Inhale, letting everything slope back up to the ears. Exhale, pull down and back. So I'm not even bending my elbows or anything. My arms are staying straight. Inhale, release. Oh, nice. I'm getting some cracks here. Exhale, lift. Beautiful. So that is the very first engagement that takes place when you're going into your pull-up. First, it's the shoulders, then everything else pulls from that, of course, engaged core. So now let's go ahead and try slightly inverted pull-ups. I forget what these are called. I'm sure there's many names for them. But I'm going to take my highest handles, and then wherever you feel the most comfortable, stepping your feet out, you want to make sure that you're not slouching or just hanging here. We want to come into a nice, strong, hollow body. So I'm pulling my belly into my spine as though I was trying to press my spine into the ground if I were laying down. And then even though I'm pulling my shoulders down my back, I'm broadening my shoulders, broadening my collarbone. Back of the neck stays long here, and I'm pressing in through my feet. Legs are strong. Inhale. As I exhale, just the elbows bend because my shoulders are already down the back, pulling up. Inhale with control, not letting go of that plank or hollow hold. Inhale, exhale up. So maybe just see if this is where you're at, if this is a major workout for you, or even just like really pushes your comfort zone, you can hang there, and I would do maybe 3 sets of 5. So now if that wasn't enough for you, you can always walk your hands down to the middle handles here. And then again, getting nice and strong in that plank. Inhale, exhale, lift. Inhale, open. Exhale, lift. Inhale, exhale, up. Beautiful. So you can just keep building up your strength by working your levels down until eventually coming to your full pull-up. So next what we're going to do is take our handles, our lowest ones that we have, and then holding them right underneath our shoulders, we are going to kind of walk out into a plank and practice holding still here. If that's really hard on your core and you're wiggling everywhere and you can't hold it, you can always come to knees, but then we want to extend our hips out while squeezing our core, breathing, lengthening out, holding, and then inhale to come back. So if you practice those 3 things, I'd say again 3 sets of 5 reps for each one, then we'll just continue to build our strength up. Thank you so much for following along. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell for when the second video to this series comes out. Thank you so much and have a great day. Namaste.